Alright, quick unboxing video of the Sig 211. Just got it yesterday. And let's see here. There is the firearm. Comes with all your usual stuff, and then 2 additional 320 magazines. These are 21 round magazines, 2 of these, and then this one I believe is the extended magazine here with some additional rounds in it, the 23 I believe. I did notice that underneath here are some additional items. Looks like you got a tool. I believe that's for taking the compensator off. Dawson Precision fiber optics, and then some pins for mounting red dots to this guy. I believe this one is compatible with the new Sig lock as well. And yeah. And then another spring here, so I'll have to play around with that and see how that impacts things. But otherwise, there is the firearm there. Kind of see the compensator there. I don't personally love the two-tone, the silver. I kind of like all black when it comes to firearms. But you know, that's comparing to something like this in all black. But we'll see how it shoots here and try and post a first shots video.